Dear passengers, thank you for flying with NATO United, not a terror organization, where we provide you with a unique sense of security. We believe in security for freedom, security for everyone. Our captain today and every day is Uncle Sam, with a rich experience in controlling everything. Please show him utmost respect and refrain from using abusive language such as Now, here are some safety instructions.
Before doors close, your carry-on items should be sold. During takeoff and landing, make sure your tray tables are placed in their upright and locked positions. Electronic devices must be set to Huawei free mode. If you need internet, simply log on to CIA or Net Wi-Fi via the password 5 eyes on you.
Should any part of the plane fall apart, please do not panic. This plane is powered by core engines used only by NATO United. Despite our exclusive service, we never stop conjuring up competitors to push ourselves forward. Membership is decided by Uncle Sam. And if need be, we welcome even kangaroos and hoyfish and penguins.
Once on board, we ensure security for everyone, including when purposely cutting through the Siberian high above Russia, a flying experience nowhere else available.
The greatest alliance, the best safety record. This is us, NATO United. Our work has been featured in our in-flight films, including Gone with the Wind, Mission Impossible, Removing WMD, Going Home from Afghanistan, and Sleepless in Tripoli.
Dear passengers, as a unique service, we offer you food and beverage with the taste of security, like
Your captain speaking! Security for freedom, even if that brings problems. For our service, we only charge you 2% of the value of your gross durable property.
good grief.
To further the business interests of our major shareholders, including Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Raytheon, we are opening Indo-Pacific Airways and looking for partners in the region. Join us if you share our goal of promoting this My Way or No Way flight. Multiple partnership plans are on offer, including 5, 4, 3, and 2. Free access to adventures is now or never, including CPI jumps, air cabs, nuke simulator, the Shufa Jobra, and oil-free fries.
Should there be an emergency during flight, find your life jacket under your seat, and oxygen masks will drop automatically. Please make sure you have paid your membership fee, or your life jacket will not inflate and oxygen will not flow in an emergency landing. There are 8 exits in this aircraft.
In an emergency, please allow American passengers to leave first or risk severe consequences.
Here comes Shangri-La. Time to have fun. Woohoo!